Multiplication and division of fractions for grade 6. To multiply given fractions, we multiply the numerators with each other and the denominator with each other. Example, 4 over 6 times 2 over 3, and we have another example, 2 times 3 over 4. As we say, we multiply the numerators with each other and the denominators by each other. So 4 times 2 over 6 times 3 equal 8 over 18. 2 times 3 over 1 over 1 times 4 equals 6 over 4. Also, if we have 3 fractions, we do the same method. 2 times 3 times 1 over 6 times 4 times 2 equals 6 over 48. We can simplify if possible. The answers here, 8 over 18, 6 over 4, and 6 over 48 can be simplified. So we simplified them. 8 over 18 can be divided by 2. 6 over 4 can be divided by 2 also, and 6 over 48 can be divided by 6. So the answers will be 4 over 9, 3 over 2, and 1 over 8. You may know that we can simplify before we multiply. Example, here we have 3 fractions. We can choose 9 and 3 can be simplified by 3. 6 and 15 also by 3. So the new fractions will be 4 over 1 times 3 over 5 times 2 over 30. Also we can divide two of them another time. 2 over 30 can be divided by 2. So the new fractions will be 4 over 1 times 3 over 5 times 1 over 15. The last division is 3 and 15 can be divided by 3, and we can cross 1 and 1. So here we can multiply 4 times 1 equal 4 and 5 times 5 equal 25. So the result will be 4 over 25. How to divide two given fractions? To divide them, we multiply the first fraction by the inverse of the second fraction. What is the meaning of inverse? If we have a fraction 2 over 3, the inverse of it is 3 over 2. So the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Then the inverse of 6 over 13 is 13 over 6. The inverse of 4 is 1 over 4. So let's practice by these two examples. We have 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5 and 4 over 8 divided by 2. So if we want to divide, as we say that we must make the inverse of the second fractions. So the new fractions are 2 over 3 times 5 over 4 and 4 over 8 times 1 over 2. Then we can multiply 2 times 5 equal 10 and 3 times 4 equal 12. In the second example, 4 times 1 equal 4 and 8 times 2 equal 16. And as we say before, you can simplify if possible. So you can see that 10 and 12 can be divided by 2. 4 and 16 can be divided by 4. So we simplify them and the answers will be 5 over 6 and